Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're talking about the benefits of growing romaine lettuce in containers. A great option for those with limited space or who want to keep their garden mobile. Let's dive into the essentials. Containers offer flexibility and control. You can easily move them to catch the best sunlight and protect your plants from pests or harsh weather. Plus, containers are perfect for small spaces like patios or balconies. For romaine lettuce, choose a container that's at least 8 to 10 inches deep and wide enough to allow for proper spacing, about 6 to 8 inches between plants. This gives your lettuce plenty of room to grow and develop a strong root system. Use a high-quality potting mix that drains well but retains enough moisture for your lettuce. Regular watering is crucial. Containers dry out faster than garden beds, so keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Consider adding mulch on top to help retain moisture. Growing romaine lettuce in containers is a convenient and rewarding way to enjoy fresh greens, even in small spaces. Stay tuned for more tips in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy planting!